In terms of appearance design, the front of the new car adopts a flat-shaped design, and the headlights also have a Y-shaped LED light strip. In addition, the car is also equipped with a more warlike front surround sports kit, and the kit is also blackened to make it more sporty and warlike. As for the sides of the body, the side shape of the new car is compact and low. The two-door design plus multiple raised waistlines enhance the personality and sportiness of the car. The new car also uses 6-hole blackened honeycomb-shaped 20-inch wheels plus perforated carbon ceramic brake discs. In addition, the car also offers 8 body colors for users to choose from. The car's body size, 4,567 by 1,933 by 1,165 mm, wheelbase 2,620 mm, positioned as a 2-door, 2-seat hardtop sports car. Since the car uses more aerodynamic packages, the downforce of the new car has been increased by 35% compared to the Huracan EVO RWD to improve stability and balance during braking and cornering, and the drag force has been reduced by 20%. In addition, Lamborghini officials have optimized the sound of the Huracan Tecnica's exhaust system so that the V10 engine can produce a more pleasant sound at high speeds. The rear of the car uses a Y-shaped stop lamp group, a fixed rear wing, 2 exhaust outlets on each side, and a large area of blackened decorative parts. At the same time, a blackened sports kit is added to the lower part of the rear casing, which further strengthens the combat atmosphere of the car. In addition, a new engine compartment cover, made of glass plus carbon fiber, is used in the new car. In terms of interior design, the car's center console area is equipped with a 3-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel, full LCD display and 8.4-inch central control screen. At the same time, the car's interior is also covered with plenty of suede material, while the details are decorated with carbon fiber material. In order to improve the driving experience and stability of the new car in intensive driving conditions, it also provides the LDIV Dynamic Driving Assistance System and Dynamic Vector Torque Distribution. This system works together with the improved high-performance PTCS traction control system. The car uses 2 integrated sports seats, and the seats are covered with suede plus genuine leather. In addition, the new car also has functions such as electric seat adjustment and heating. In terms of power unit, it is equipped with a 5.2L V10 naturally aspirated engine with a maximum power of 470 kW, 640 PS, and a maximum torque of 565 Nm, mated to a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. It has an acceleration of 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds and a top speed of 325 km per hour.